If you're encountering the can't update payment error on Netflix, don't worry, we've got you covered. This issue often arises when there is a problem with updating your payment information. Let's walk through some quick and easy steps to fix it. Here's how you can resolve the issue. Open your web browser and go to netflix.com. Log into your Netflix account using your credentials. After you've logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Payment Info section and click on Update Payment Information. Check the details of your current payment method. Make sure your card number, expiration date, and billing address are correct. Update any incorrect details and click Save. If your payment method has expired or is invalid, you'll need to enter a new card or payment method. Ensure that your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Contact your bank or payment provider if there are issues with the payment method such as block or restriction. Now, if not, try using a different payment method if the current one continues to cause issues. If this also doesn't solve, clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes stored data can interfere with updating payment information. Alternatively, try using a different browser or different device to see if the issue persists. And that's it. By following the steps, you should be able to resolve the can't update payment error and get back to streaming your favorite content. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more crypto tips and tricks.